Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Bree. Today is going to be a tutorial on a unit that I received from WeQueen. If you want to see how I achieve this look, continue to watch and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. So the lace front that I'm reviewing today came from a company called WeQueen. It came in this nicely packaged box. So as soon as you open the box, this beautiful box braided wig is of course in it, and this is how it looks. This is the construction. The inside of it is constructed very well. It has two combs on the side and one in the back. I do not use the combs, so I am going to cut those out. It also has an elastic band sewn into it, so if you do not want to wear this as a glued down wig, or you want to wear it as a glueless wig, you can use this band as well. So there are several ways you can wear this. So I received a box of hair jewelry, so I wasn't expecting this, but it's a really good gesture. Along with the hair jewelry, I received a wig cap, a bag with the company name on it, and also you can use this to store the hair, and instructions on how to take care of the wig. I'm going to go ahead and get started. For the remaining of the video, it's going to be a voiceover. If there's something that I failed to mention in this video that you need answered, please leave it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. All right, bye. I'm cutting the ear tabs or around the ear area so that I can get a really good and custom fit. Next, I'm just repositioning the wig just to ensure that I'm going to have it in the exact place that I want it. I know it looks like I'm taking quite a bit of time, but you want to do this to ensure that you're placing it down in the right spot before gluing this wig. Now I'm going into my Hold Me Down adhesive by Erica J, and I usually use between 1 to 3 layers. For this tutorial I'm going to be using 2 layers, but for time's sake you're going to see that I applied 1, but in actuality it's 2 layers. So I just smooth it out and just wait for it to dry clear, and then I do another layer. Now that the glue is tacky and it's clear, I'm now going to position my wig in place. I'm not going to press down on it right this second because I want to be able to adjust it if need be. So as you can see, I'm just slightly pressing it to how I want it positioned, but then in a few seconds you're going to see that I'm going to then start pressing the wig into the actual glue and setting it. Now I'm going to take a razor and I'm going to start cutting the lace. After I finish cutting the lace, I'm going to then take a head scarf, tie it down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Therefore, the lace can melt into the skin, and then I'm going to then style it from there. Okay, so now 10 or 15 minutes, actually an hour had passed, and now I'm just taking off the headscarf. So now I'm going to go in with the razor and I'm going to trim up my baby hairs. I'm not a fan of the long baby hairs that go down to your eyebrows, so I typically cut mine short. And guys, don't judge me, I am struggling with the baby hairs, but trust me, I'm going to get there. It's going to take a minute, but I will get there. For a second time, I'm going to tie my hair with the elastic band, and this is just going to give it time for the setting lotion to dry and my baby hairs to stay into place. Now I'm going to do two different styles. I'm going to do a half up, so I'm going to do a bun in the middle, which I love. I love this look. It's just so simple but cute. And then for the second look, I'm just going to have it all down, and then I'm going to use some of the hair jewelry that was provided in the package I received from WeQueen. So yeah, giving a look here. Okay guys, here's the completed look. So if you want beautiful box braids without spending hours in the chair, this is the way to go. This literally took me 30 to 45 minutes to complete this look, and it is flawless. I love this wig. It looks natural. So if you are interested, I will have all the details in the description box below. Please leave a comment, like this video, and if you have any more questions, hit me up. See you in my next one. Bye.